Hi everyone, this is MahGul and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to bake potato, okra and cauliflower. So here are the ingredients: jalapeno, lemon, onions, ginger, garlic, and this is salt and pepper. I'm going to use for this ingredient, that while I'm baking it, I'm just gonna put salt and pepper, that's all, and a little bit of olive oil as well. The spices that I'm going to use is coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, that is garam masala, paprika, that's not hot, it's just it's good for coloring, turmeric. I have in there curry masala. I had it at home, so I just wanted to put a little bit of it. Here I have bay leaves, cinnamon stick, a little bit of a pinch of mango powder, and here I have chaat masala and cumin seed. So this is a spice that I'm going to use for this dish. So I hope you guys stay tuned, see how this dish turn. This is my first time that I'm baking it. I used to fry all this and then make a sauce out of this ingredient and then just pour it on the top. But today I'm going to show you guys a different way, because I think it's more healthier than baking is healthier than frying. So I hope you guys stay tuned while I'm gonna go ahead bake this. And so now I sprinkle some salt and black pepper, oil as well. For about 30 or 35 minutes. Here, I put a half a teaspoon of tomato paste as well, because I want this dish to be more calorie. So and it enhances the taste of this dish as well, the tomato paste. So I decided to put half teaspoon of tomato paste. So now I'm adding the onions. I'm gonna let the onions fry a little bit, not a lot, because I don't want it to be very dark. So I'm gonna let this cook for 4 or 5 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead add the ginger and garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook for 1 minute. The tomato paste, tomato, and the jalapeno. This is the sauce of the vegetables that they're baking in the oven. I'm making the sauce. Add all the dry spice. Add the half of the lemon juice. I'm gonna let this cook very well, like maybe 10 to 15 minutes with more water. I'm gonna let this cook. Okra, potato, and cauliflower, it's done. I'm gonna go ahead add the sauce that I made on the top of it. Sauce, just like this. No stirring, nothing, and just add the sauce. So, and after 15 minutes this should be done. Alright, so this is done. Here is the okra, the potato, and the cauliflower. I baked it. I show you guys step by step how I cooked this today. So I'm just gonna plate. It can go with rice, with bread, naan. You can have it as a whole meal with naan. You can serve this as a side dish as well. It's like 3 vegetables and a 1 pot I cooked. It's really delicious looking. I baked it instead of frying it. It's really delicious and wanting. I make sure I have enough au jus sauce. So here you go, guys. I hope you guys like what I cooked today. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Share it with your family and friends. Comment if you like it. Give a thumbs up. So I will see you guys soon in another video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.